samahan nyo kami sa kanang yoga mat. I'm not sure kung yoga ba ni Direday, pero gusto kong magpabitay-bitay. Ano si tawag? Ano mga antikilos? Anong tawag dyan? Comment kayo. So, itry na ko kung kaya ba na. Actually, nung sobrang tagal na kasi nun, bata pa, bata namin yung virgin pa. Wow. Nakatry ako ng ganito. Dili dahil siya yoga, dahil kurtina dahil siya. Ay, that's not a yoga, dahil my love. I thought it's a kuan. Kurtina ra dahil siya, dahil. Di man ta pwede mo kuan diri kay I was told this is what I'm hanging for. Mabugtas ni. Nice place din dito. Massage area ra jud siya. Ito ba yung ganito? Antikels. Yung ganyan yung hinahanap ko. So wala dahil sila, my love. This ba?
Yeah.
I thought this is the one. Nice jungle, oh. Nice jungle doon. So let's go back. Ito mga private villa to. Pero walang tao. Isang villa lang yung taken. Yung sa amin. Andun. Number 4. Hello! Buenos dias! Hola! You're born to be say hola. Ay, lain pa akong lawas tayo. Pero kining imong yung kasama mo na laagan kayo day. Ay, di ka mapuyo. So, we are going out. Driving around. Kay maganda yung weather. Kaya naka-jacket lang tayo ngayon. Nakuha ko na kung tiyan. Ay, naikuan oh. Ay, tsuko. Ay ko. Nyo yung wall art nila. Ito yung pinakaganda kasi nilalagyan talaga nila ng art. Hindi lang yung plain wall. 'Di ba? Meron talaga silang kaartihan. Ito din. May kahinihingal ako dahil naririnig nyo ba? Naririnig nyo? Hinihingal ako ng todo. Alam nyo, kasi dito merong nag-smoke, bakit maghaling. Oo. Oh. Bebe. No, it's not wet. Give it to me. Meron kasi ditong nag-smoke ba, maghaling. So yan yung ko, kanang pinatatakutan ko, baka babalik yung pneumonia ko dahil.
Looks like maybe they're restoring this place. Yeah, I will probably down through the window.
Motorbike at the back. Hello! Ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa rice field. And sobrang ganda dito dahil. Ang dami mga pato. Ayan oh. And they have a view for Mount Agong. Ang daming rice, ang daming pato naliligo. First time namin dito napadpad. Andun si Mr. So, maganda sana to kung meron tayong anong tawag nito, kining pangdikit dito sa ating camera. So, wala man tayo pangdikit tayo. So, kailangan nating bit-bitin. And yeah, today, nag-drive around lang kami. Kay maganda yung weather. Sayang naman kung nasa room lang tayo all the time, di ba? So, drive around. Ang way mga lingaw. Pero nalingaw siya sa pato, day. Nalingaw siya si picture sa pato. Sige dong, banat dong. Banat dong. Ito talaga yung gusto niya dito sa Bali, Indonesia. Kasi mafe-feel talaga niya yung province life, mga Zay. Doon kasi sa atin sa Pilipinas, meron naman pero most of the time talaga is kanang dili jud siya ingon nga bukid jud siya ba. Bukid nga kanang parang ganito yung ambience. So dito kasi maraming area na kanang malaking city siya pero parang feel mo nasa province pa rin, parang alam hindi kay parang nasa province pa rin yung ambience. Yan yung isa sa nagustuhan niya dito sa Bali talaga. Tapos parang feel niya ba na nasa city siya pero yung kapaligiran is hindi sa city. Ano daw, uy, libog ba ni nag-explain ninyo? The explanation is very, very lost. Ano si Mr. Oh. Kabalo pa lang kung mo drive og motor dahil, no? Mo drive ka ako, no? I wonder kung makadaog ba ko. Ito naman ni on na ni siya dahil. Try, hindi, gamay raman na, gaan na kayo. Uy, basig matumba pa lang noon ko, bugat ra ba ning motor. Alam nyo, hindi ako takot mag-drive. Ang kinatatakutan ko lang dahil yung motor is mabigat pa siya kaysa sa akin. So if baka ma-out of balance ako dahil bali akong bukog. Mabali. Mafiang. Parang lumiit ako ngayon dahil. Napansin nyo ba? Parang pumayat ako ngayon. Or sa camera lang po nato nila. Pero na-notice jud na ako kay butoy kagabi kasi kagabi grabe yung ubo ko. And then natatakot. Nalingaw gid si Dudong dayo. Nalingaw jud siya sige picture sa mga pagihot. Pak 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 pak. Pak pak. I zoom already. Uy, it's really zoom 4 times.
Just point the camera that way.
Mahulog tas kanal.
So here. And they look very healthy.
Yeah, because there's a lot of worm and snails.
Salamat pagi.
Salamat pagi.
Bagus.
Bagus. Hello. Bye-bye. Mister ba? Hello. Salamat pagi. Alam nyo ba kung bakit marunong siyang magsalita ng Indonesian? Meron si Mr. natutunang mga Indonesian words because he's been here a lot. Ako na tao dahil. I'm not in the world. pupunta na siya dito. So, meron siyang mga nalalaman na mga salita nila. Bagus. Look at our first.
Here they're making fake stones over there in cement.
No, it's real. Uy, pataka
No,
kag fake.
this
Uy.
is- the
Everything
steps-
na lang is
the
fake.
steps are fake.
It's
But
stone. I
it
can
looks
see it's
real.
real.
You are always smarter than me. So.
Is it not restaurant? I think it's not finished yet. So, that's the waterfalls. Last year, we've been there already. Yung waterfalls
No,
dyan.
we can go here already.
No, you have.
See that?
I think your
There's
memory.
so many waterfalls.
No, that's the one lagi. I know.
Doesn't look like-
The name, I know the one, the name. Kalimutan na yun. Day, ang memory ni Mr. Wa na jud day. Alam niyo ba? Noong isang araw, akala niya day naiwan niya yung 360. Shran, shran, shran.
Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive.
Shibatsu, where we stayed before.
Yeah, that's the
I don't have a photo with that one. Have to make remember the name Shibatsu.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling,